Here are 10 lessons I learned in 2023. This is day 4 and lesson number 4. This is one of my favorite realizations of this year. I realized that everything truly starts and ends with me. This doesn't mean that I'm in control of every single aspect of life, but it does mean that I'm in control of how I respond to life. This year has been a roller coaster ride. I experienced high highs and also very low lows. And in both those events, I realized the shift happened when I made the conscious decision to do so. It was never a magical external thing that happened that automatically made me feel good. It was an internal shift first and then an external one. So that means during my lowest lows, I had to muster up some energy, some type of emotion, and I had to look beyond my current circumstances. I had to pick myself up and shift that energy within me. And that's not always comfortable because you're meeting parts of yourself that maybe you've ignored or suppressed or neglected. But I can say that this is what the work is all about. It's about being uncomfortable and about believing that something else is possible. Something better is on the other side of what you're going through currently. Okay, let me know how this lesson resonated with you guys. Share with me in the comments below. I hope you have a beautiful day. I'm losing my voice, I still have COVID. But anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for day 5. I always forget the date. But yeah, let's start a conversation in the comments below. Bye.